Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to teach you how to sew a wallet and card holder with a pocket for tissues. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to support my work and not miss the next videos. The link to download the pattern is in the description box under the video. To make this wallet you need 3 different fabrics cut according to the pattern, mid-weight interfacing, a snap button and a 15 cm zipper. Iron the interfacing on the different pieces. Put 2 tissue pocket pieces face to face and stitch the arc 1 cm from the edge. Notch the piece, cut off the excess and press. Do the same with the second side of the tissue pocket. Place the 2 resulting pieces on one of the wallet sides, making sure they overlap on the edges. Stitch 5 mm from the edge. Place the pocket pieces face to face. Stitch the top 1 cm from the edge. Press to open the seam, turn over and press again. Place one side of the snap on the outside of the pocket. Place the second side on the flap. Place the pocket on the second side of the wallet and stitch the 3 sides 5 mm from the edge. Place the flap pieces face to face and stitch the arc 1 cm from the edge. Notch the seam allowance, turn over and press. Place the flap on the top side of the piece and stitch 5 mm from the edge. Mark the centers of the lining, zipper and pocket. Put the zipper between the two. Stitch 1 cm from the edge. Do the same with the second side. Put the two sides lining on lining and outside on outside. Stitch 1 cm from the edge, leaving a 5 cm opening on the lining side. Trim the excess zipper and notch the corners. Flip the purse over. Sew the opening 2 mm from the edge. If you like my videos, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next tutorials.